Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette half fry. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk with a pinch of salt and pepper until blended. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Pour the eggs and let the edges set while the center remains slightly runny. Fold 1/2 over, slide onto a plate, and serve hot immediately. Start with room temperature eggs for a tender omelette and use a fork or whisk for gentle whisking. Preheat your pan to medium and test with a drop of water that dances. Add fillings like diced onions, tomatoes, cheese, or cooked mushrooms, but keep quantities light to avoid soggy omelette. Cook without constant stirring, then fold gently, and rest 1 minute so residual heat finishes cooking and melds flavors naturally. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy saving time and making better food choices, try a short read like The Simple Path to Wealth to rethink your money habits. It offers clear, practical advice and a calming perspective that pairs oddly well with kitchen experiments. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to support more recipes. Check the description for the book link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Avoid high heat that browns eggs too fast and creates rubbery texture by cooking over medium or medium-low heat. Do not overfill with raw ingredients that release water, and avoid flipping too soon. If you want extra fluff, separate whites and yolks, then fold whites back gently. Serve with toast, fresh herbs, or a light salad for balance, and enjoy immediately while warm. Pair with tea, coffee, or a glass of orange juice for a simple breakfast or light lunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.